Greetings to one and all listening here. I'm Suresh, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. Today, I'm going to take the lecture on the topic classification of surveying from the subject surveying. This video or this PPT fully contains of classification of a surveying. Majorly, the classification of a survey is based on the nature of field of survey. Another one is based on the object of survey. Next one is based on the method which we employed for doing this surveying process. On the other hand, we are having the classification based on the instrument which are used to measure or take the readings from the field. So these are the classification of surveying. Next one, the classification based on the nature of field of a survey. So in that first one is land survey. Land survey is the one in which the relative position of an object on the earth surface is determined. It is further classified into following types. First one is topographical survey. In this survey, used to determine the natural and artificial features of a country such as rivers, lakes, hills and canals, and artificial features like railways, roads, etc. Next one is cadastral survey. This survey is used to locate the additional details such as boundaries of fields, houses and other properties is called cadastral survey. Next one is city survey. This survey is used to planning of a town scheme such as laying of plots, construction of streets, laying water supply lines and sewer lines. So those kinds of work may be done with the help of a city survey. Next one is engineering survey. This survey is used to collect the data for a design of a construction of engineering work such as roads, railways, bridges, dams. It is carried out in 3 stages of a survey known as site visit, second one a preliminary survey, third one is a final location survey. So like that the engineering survey may done with the help of 3 different surveys. That's all about the land survey. Next one is classification is based on the nature of field survey. So based on the nature we can classify the survey marine or a navigational or hydrographic survey. So marine survey is a one in which the relative position of an object under a water is determined. So as I am showing here, we can lay on the ship and we can able to measure a relative position of a point which is already available under the water, can be done with the help of marine survey. So next one is astronomical survey. Astronomical survey is the one which observations are made to locate a heavenly bodies such as sun, moon and stars. So next one, classification based on the object. Archaeological survey. This type of survey is done to trace out the past, right? So that is archaeological survey. Geological survey, this type of survey is done to determine the different strata available in the earth crust. Mine survey, this type of survey is done to explore the mineral wealth such as gold, coal. So like that mineral can be explored with the help of mine survey. The next one is military survey. This type of a survey is done to determine the best position of attack and defense from military point of view. So that is called military survey. And next one is classification based on the methods which we employed to calculate the area or to calculate the surface condition. So those kind of methods may available for calculation of area. So in that, first one is triangulation survey. The triangulation survey is method by which the whole or to be surveyed is divided into a number of simple geometrical figures such as triangles. As showing here, the entire area may be divided into more triangles, and that observations are made with the help of instruments. So those kind of surveys can be said to be a triangulation survey. Next one is a traverse survey. The traverse survey is the method in which the whole area surveyed surveyed is divided into number of figures formed by four or more lines, four or more than four lines, and observations are made with the help of a traverse. So here you can see the multiple types of a traverse. First one is open or closed, unclosed traverse. Second one you can see closed traverse. Third one is partially open and partially closed traverse. With the help of four or more than four lines may contains a single figure, that may be called as traverse survey. So next one, classification based on the instrument. Classification based on instrument. So here we are having 7 different kinds of instruments may available to take the measurement from the field. So in that, first one is chain surveying. uh, Chain surveying, it is a system of surveying in which the sides of triangles formed with the area to be surveyed or measured into no angular measurements being made. So without any angular measurements, by using chains we are going to measure a linear measurement alone. Length and breadth may be calculated to compute the entire area. So like that, each survey may have its own instruments for complete that particular work. So in compass survey they may using prismatic compass or a surveyor compass to do the surveying work. At the same time, coming to plane table survey, we are having a plane table theodolite also. An instrument called theodolite is available to take the readings from the field. So like that, we can able to finish the survey with the use of following instrument. So we will discuss one by one briefly in coming lectures. Okay, thank you.